In a tiny, sun-drenched kitchen, a wonderful story begins to unfold. This is the tale of a little child and their grandmother embarking on a magical baking adventure. What's on the menu today? The most delicious, heartwarming cookies you can imagine! With tiny hands and wise ones working together, they mix the dough, a sprinkle of sugar, a dash of love, and a whole lot of giggles. The kitchen, once quiet, now buzzes with the sweet harmony of family. As the cookies bake in the oven, a warm, golden glow fills the room. A delicious, irresistible aroma starts to dance through the air, weaving its way through every corner of the house. It's a scent that whispers of comfort, joy, and home. One by one, the family is drawn in by this magical trail. First, Mom peeks in, a gentle smile on her face. Then, Dad follows, his eyes lighting up. Even the family's furry little friend pads in, tail wagging, curious about the delicious secret. The kitchen is now full, not just with the smell of cookies, but with the warmth of togetherness. Everyone gathers around the big wooden table, a circle of happy faces lit by the soft kitchen light. The freshly baked cookies, golden and perfect, are passed from hand to hand. Each bite is filled with more than just chocolate chips. It's filled with shared laughter and unspoken affection. In this simple moment, around a plate of cookies, an entire world of love is shared. This is what it's all about. The simple joy that food, made with love, can bring to a family, turning an ordinary day into a cherished memory. Thank you so much for joining us on this sweet little journey. If this story warmed your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming animations. See you next time!